What's one of the things that you've done for yourself, for your personal brand, that has really been able for you personally to be able to scale your business from, say, 18 months, 24 months ago, so around a year and a half, 2 years ago, to where you are today? What's some of the big things that you've done for yourself personally in order to get to that next level?
You know, funny enough, I think it was just this is gonna be really weird, dude. Like, you remember when I bought those like watches and stuff, right?
Yeah, yeah, back in March. Yeah. March, April. Yeah.
Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah. No, I bought another one like a few months ago. Honestly, dude, like when I started making those big purchases, it just kind of made me want to make the money back, you know? So I'm like, yeah, like let's do this. I mean, nowadays, like what's really been driving me forward is just seeing the possibilities because I'm trying to really develop my online education company as well as my opt-in. So nowadays I'm just running ads to my opt-in, you know. So, like I have a free book now where it talks about how to succeed in publishing. And that's been really, really game changer because now I get more people joining my group. I have more people signing up for my programs. It's been great, you know. But the best part is when people take my programs, they go through it, and once they get to a certain level, then they usually message me and ask me if they can work with me, you know. So it's like when I bring them into my ecosystem, like they're also wanting to work with me, you know. So it's just great, you know.
Just sounds like a bunch of wins, man. That's all that
Yeah.
sounds like. So for that ebook, that's just strictly to a cold campaign, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
basically, I just run towards a cold campaign. It's like I get like $1.50 a sign up, you know.
that's
Pretty
crazy.
good.
That's good numbers, man.
Yeah. So like I think I'm gonna start scaling it up. But I mean, I have like 468 people who got the book so far,
Hmm.
and people have been purchasing my course. They've been messaging me. I signed a few people through the my VSL. I set up a VSL as well, you know, to get people to sign up.
Yep.
But yeah, it's pretty much in it, you know.
Yeah, yeah, because I'm running, yeah, because I'm strictly running for my agency. I'm just running retargeting and IG interactions right now. So I'm getting about
Yeah. So what I
yeah,
just do is I run ads to the opt-in. I just run retargeting ads to my other stuff, you know. That's it.
yeah, yeah.
So
So as soon as you get the opt-ins, then you can upsell for all your other products or other services or get into the
yeah,
group and
yeah,
stuff.
pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah, that's absolutely crazy.